Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Darmeshia West. I'm an independent beauty consultant with Mary Kay. So welcome to my page. If you have not subscribed, please do so by clicking on the bell. Yes, subscribe so you will know when I upload videos. So if you don't know what's going on, I'm on my Mary Kay clinical journey. I completed my first 8 weeks and then I continue my journey on. I'm going on through week 16. So the first 8 weeks, there was a retinization process that you had to complete to get your skin retinized to continue to add into your nighttime routine. You add it at nighttime as always. Nighttime, you only add it at nighttime, guys. So that's a tip, future references if you decide to purchase Clinical Solutions from me. So this is the Clinical Solutions. This is the retinol. And this is the Calm Plus Facial Milk right here. So we're in week 14. Yes, week 14. I got 2 more weeks to go. Tonight is Tuesday, May the 4th. We're in a new month, the month of May. Yay! So in the last video, I was talking about my bumps on my face, and it's quite natural that we're having bumps due to wearing the mask. I wear the mask a couple hours a day, and so it is what it is. I'm not complaining. So I'm not having any major issues with my face. It's just normal, my normal pimple that I get once a month when it's that time of the month, and just from the mask. As you can see that my bumps that I'm having is exactly where the mask is hitting at. Always where the mask is hitting at. So we talked about these bumps this past week. They're gone, but they might leave a dark spot, but they will clear up. So keep note of this. That one right there, this one, and this one. And there's some little fine ones in there as well. But that was from a previous bump. So you can kind of see some bumps here that's previous bumps that kind of left some scarring behind. And it's not like a major scarring, guys. It's going to clear up. That was my pimple from the last video that I talked about. Then I had one up on my chin. I don't even see it, guys. See, it's already gone. Here's one. But it was one like right here somewhere. It was a big one. I don't even see it. So you see how, like I said, don't bother the bumps. It might have been this one right here, but I could have swore it was more on this side. But anyway, but these are the bumps that I'm having due to the mask. It's not anything to do with the Clinical Solutions. And like I said, it's going to clear up. They will clear up. It will clear up, so I'm not worried about it. What can I say about the Clinical Solutions? As you know, I am sold. I am S-O-L-D. I'm sold. Looking for anyone else that would like to take their skincare level up it up. As you know, I just had a birthday. I turned 47 years younger. So I just want to stay ahead of the game, keep my face nice, tight, and right. And that's what it's doing. The main thing about the Clinical Solutions, I noticed the radiance, how vibrant and radiant my skin is. So you can see me, I have showed you pictures without makeup on. So right now I did my face. I just finished it. And once again, it's late at night. So I got to stop this. But I just wanted to pop on. I'm going to continue on. I'm going to do it 3 times again this week. It is Tuesday. I will do it again Thursday and Saturday. I can't remember what day, but I did. I am adding supplements during the days that I'm not doing my Clinical Solution. You can do your supplements on the days that you're not doing the Clinical Solutions, as well as my sonic brush. If I choose to use it, I use it in the morning. I don't use it at nighttime. Or if I'm not doing my Clinical Solution, I did it at nighttime. Like if I'm doing a day in between, I still use my brush at nighttime. But that is it. If you have any questions as we going through this journey, please let me know. It always will be a description telling you more about the clinical solutions. Also will be a link to purchase if you like. So I will see you back here on Thursday. Just want to give you a glimpse of my skin. I forgot to. It's vibrant, isn't it? Look at that. Yes. Got to have some great skincare. Nothing else. Have some great skincare. You need a skincare regimen. And I'm your girl. Just let me know. Hello. I'm back for my second application. It is Friday, May the 7th. Did you hear me? Friday. So I said I was going to do it on last night, which was Thursday, May the 6th. But I did not because it was my daughter family birthday outing, and today is her birthday. She's 21, so I did not get to even wash my face after 12 o'clock this morning. So I was like, I'm not going to do my clinical solutions. I'm just going to wait till I can really do it. So I did it tonight. Like I said, it is Friday, May the 7th, and I did my clinical solutions. And just so you know, this is what we're talking about. This is what I'm all about. Clinical solutions. This journey of 16 whole weeks. 8 weeks that went by. I'm in week 14. 14 weeks, guys. I'm almost at the end. So what I do want to say is that I know I probably previously said in another video, but clinical solutions is added supplement that you can add to your nighttime skin care routine. So you always apply it at nighttime. Clinical solutions, nighttime. And so what I use, which I'm going to talk about our skincare line that we have, I use the Time Wise Repair Set. So I will post a picture, Time Wise Repair Set. I use that. It's the Time Wise Repair Volume Firm. And so, as I stated before, I think I'm a little grown, and so I treated myself last year to the set, and this is the Time Wise Repair Set. And hey, that's really upping it up because they have retinol in the nighttime cream, and as you know, that this is pure retinol. This is like concentrated retinol in here, so. Pure retinol, concentrated retinol. So my skin did adapt well to that as well. Okay, so that's one of our skincare line, Time Wise Repair, and then our awesome one that everybody that we're known for is the Miracle Set, the Time Wise 3D Miracle Set. So pictures will pop up, so you can get that one. And we have another one. We have the Naturally line, which is fairly new. The Naturally line, Mary Kay Naturally. Then we have Botanical Effects. We have a new line, and then also we have the line when I first came in. So you will see that in the book. If you on my VIP list and get this book, you will see that. With that as well. So they still do that one as well. And then we have the Clear Proof. We have the Clear Proof, and then we have the MK Men. So that is like total of 8. Time Wise Repair, Time Wise Miracle Set 3D, and then we have the Mary Kay Naturally, the Botanicals Effects, which have 2 different kinds, and then the Clear Proof, and also the MK Men. So it works well to already have a skincare regimen. So you need a skincare regimen. I wash my face morning and night, so it's twice a day. I do add supplements. I do the charcoal mask. I do renewing gel mask. What else I do? The tone correcting serum. I do the serum C+E. The hydro patches. I do indulgent eye cream. The microdermabrasions. So all these are not at one time. So these are on different days. So you can do this. It's on different days. You add your supplements in there. So on yesterday, which I thought I was going to do my video, I did because I showed you my bumps Tuesday night. So Wednesday, they were still up there. So when I washed my face on yesterday morning, which was Thursday, I had the bumps. I did a charcoal mask, which I will show you the pictures of my charcoal mask. As you can see, my bumps right here, I had on the charcoal picture, you can see that the pimples, these bumps are here turned white. So they turned white. So they let you know that it's pulling out the impurities, pull them to the forefront. So that's a good thing. And then you may see some oil right in here. I'm normally oily in my T-zone and in my nose. So like I said, my face is smooth. Even though those bumps are there, they're going away, guys. So as always, I just let them do what they do. And then they'll go away. They will go away. So it doesn't bother me. The mask, I'm still getting used to the mask, wearing it every day. I was just thinking I'm going to try something different. I'm going to try a different pillowcase or something, see that it helps. Maybe that will help. But Mary Kay Solutions, week 14, this is the second application, and I will be back on Sunday night now. So that kind of messed up my days. So Tuesday, Friday, and then I'll be back on Sunday. And so it's okay if you have 2 days in between, guys. It's totally up to you. It's your skincare regimen. With the clinical solution, you can do it up to 5 times a week, in which I've stated I have not got that for yet. I'm struggling with 3. 3 is good for me. And I'm pushing it. I'm tired of going to bed late at night, which is late again tonight. But it's your skincare regimen. You can use it how many times you want in a week, up to 5 times. It should not, once your skin is retinized. Now, during the retinization process, is different levels that you go up to, getting up to the 4 to 5 times a week. So we'll be back on Sunday with the last application. And I hope you're watching the videos. So if you're interested in the journey or like to follow along, you can go back to my 8-week journey. It's a certain section of videos, a collection of videos. And now I'm going what I started, I did 8 weeks, so 9 through 16. So 9 through 16 is another totally whole journey that I'm on. So I'll see you guys back here on Sunday. Here I am tonight for the 3rd application in week 14. Oh my gosh. This has been a week, and so much has happened in this past week. My birthday, my daughter's birthday, Mother's Day, so much. And so here I am at 10:30 at night, May the 9th, trying to do this video. But anyway, I just finished my application. This is my 3rd application for the week. In the previous part of this video, you will see some of the areas that I talked about, which was my bumps. They're going away, even though they're leaving like a dark spot, but they will clear up. And so this side, and as always, my skin is radiant and it feels good, smooth, nice, all those good things. But like I said, you use your Clinical Solutions, which I already put it up already. But Clinical Solutions, it is meant to be used at nighttime. Clinical Solutions meant to be at nighttime. And so it can be used with any one of our skincare lines. And I use the Time Wise Repair Volume Firm Repair Set. So that's the one that I used. I'm going to, in the upcoming week, which is going to be week 15, which is tomorrow, starting tomorrow, I probably will get me a microdermabrasion to get the dead cells, layer skin out from those marks to help that out some. Remember that one that was on my chin? I don't even see it. But there's a spot right there. It's going to clear up. I had a bump right there before. But that one up on my chin, I don't see. I don't see it. But anyway, during the week, I do use my supplements, microdermabrasion set. I use charcoal. I do the time-wise, the renewing gel mask. I do that, and I also use my serum C plus E, and I'm about at the end. I do like it because of this little window here. So it said it lasts for 6 weeks, and they could be just right because I used it. I had to stop using it during my 8 week, and I almost was so far hit here, but I used that. I used the tone correctum serum. I used the indulgent eye cream. I used my hydrogel eye patches. So there's a variety of supplements that I use throughout the week. So like I said, you can create your own skincare routine. If you need help, please let me know. That's what I'm here for. We can set up an appointment for a skin consultation, and I'll be able to help you with that. Also, we talked about the skin analyzer. If you download the skin analyzer app, that will let you know what you need as well, and you can tag it to me, say I'm your consultant, and it'll pop right in the thing, and it'll order just right away right from the app. So let me know if you have any questions about the clinical solutions. This is the night, Sunday night, and I'm completing week 14. I'm looking forward for week 15. I have 2 more weeks to go. Then I will stop journaling. I will stop documenting what I'm doing in these 16 weeks. But this is week 14. Thank you always for always showing up and being with me along this journey. It does take discipline, guys. So I just want to let you know that it does take discipline to keep a skincare routine. I remember one night this past week, it was after 12 o'clock, and I was like, I'm still going to wash my face. So you just stay in the habit of washing your face and try to stick with your routine. But with the clinical solutions, you can do it as many times as you want, up to 5 times a week. So I have not got to that point yet. So if I end up doing it 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, it's okay. It's my skin regimen, but I'm trying to stick to at least 3 times throughout to the 16 weeks. So I know I can do that right there. But as always, thank you so much, and I will see you next week for week 15. Thank you. Stay tuned. Here's a picture of my skin, no makeup. I'm wearing the mask. Look how clear my skin is. I am loving Clinical Solutions. Look at that face.